Today we're going to be talking about car batteries specifically, how to know when your car battery is on its last legs. Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. A bad battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible time, so it's important to be able to spot the warning signs. One of the most common symptoms of a bad battery is trouble starting your car. This can manifest in a few ways. Slow crank. The engine cranks slowly when you turn the key, taking longer than usual to turn over. Clicking noise. You hear a clicking sound when you try to start the engine, but it doesn't turn over. This is a classic sign of a dead battery. Needing to press the gas pedal. In some cases, you might need to press the gas pedal slightly while starting the engine to get it to turn over with a weak battery. This is not a good habit to get into, and it's best to address the battery issue. Your car battery powers all the electrical components, so problems in this area can also point to a failing battery. Look out for dim headlights. If your headlights seem dimmer than usual, especially when you first start the car, it could be a sign of a weak battery. Electrical gremlins. Weird electrical issues like flickering interior lights, power windows that don't work right, or a radio that cuts in and out can all be caused by a bad battery. Let's take a look under the hood and see what the battery itself is telling us. Clicking noise. Corrosion on the terminals. The positive and negative terminals on your battery should be clean and free of corrosion. A crusty buildup can hinder the battery's ability to transfer power. Warped or swollen case. If the battery case looks bloated or bulging out of shape, that's a bad sign and means it's time for a replacement. Rotten egg smell. A sulfuric odor coming from the battery is a danger sign. It means the battery is leaking acid, and you should not drive the car. Other factors to consider. Age of your battery. Most car batteries last around 3 to 5 years. If your battery is older than that, it might be nearing the end of its lifespan regardless of any symptoms. Extreme weather. Cold weather can put a strain on your battery, making it more likely to fail during winter months. What to do next? If you're experiencing one or more of these signs, it's a good idea to get your car battery tested by a mechanic or auto parts store. They can quickly determine if your battery needs to be replaced. Replacing a car battery is a relatively simple job that you might be able to do yourself, but if you're not comfortable with that, a mechanic can take care of it for you. By recognizing the symptoms of a bad car battery, you can avoid getting stranded and keep your car running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.